This is Famigo Dashcam, capturing the unexpected twists that remind us how unpredictable the road can be. Buckle up and subscribe for more.
Muscle met metal, and neither backed down. Speed means nothing without space and sense. What do you think is the most important thing to stay safe on the highway? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The moment you forget the simplest things, the road reminds you in the harshest way. Every sudden move behind the wheel is a reminder that patience is the real shortcut.
What the fuck were you doing?
3 drivers, 1 intersection, and a single bad decision. No one made it through. What do you think causes drivers to lose patience the most at crossings like this? When the road gets wet, slow down. Even patience needs traction. Speeding from behind never earns respect, only regret. Intersections demand respect. One careless second can change everything. The road is never just yours. Awareness keeps everyone safe. In every intersection, patience is worth more than speed, and dashcam car crashes keep reminding us why that matters. In shocking dashcam footage like this, speed always loses its meaning when darkness hides what's ahead.
Oh my God.
2 wheels met 4, and neither was ready for introductions.
I just caught it on camera. You might need that. Yeah.
That moment felt like a domino falling out of rhythm. One move, and balance was gone. Guardrails don't argue, they just end the debate. That ride felt like a rodeo gone wrong. Wild for a second, rough for the rest. The moment focus fades, even steel can't keep you safe. That's one way to skip traffic, just not the smart way.
Cycling this rain, I'll tell you that. Oh my God! Jeez!
That slide felt like dancing on glass, smooth until it wasn't. Direction matters, on the road and in life.
But it's just a draft.
Lane changes are smoothest when you check more than your playlist.
She's asking for. What I
That moment felt like life flipping its own script, fast and unforgiving. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next stories. Distance isn't just a number, it's the line between safety and regret. Wrong turns don't just change direction, they change someone's day. That's why every turn needs a little patience. It's what keeps everyone moving safely. Keeping distance isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Looks like that intersection just hosted another unplanned meeting. Well, that's one way to read the sign. Up close and personal. Control is fragile. Lose it once, and the road takes over. When one hit isn't enough, traffic decides to make it a sequel. Just one careless burst of speed from behind can change everything ahead. Maybe the highway just reminded everyone about keeping a safe distance. Losing control doesn't just affect you, it affects everyone around. That encounter felt like two storylines crossing paths on the status page. It seems both wanted the same spot, just not at the same time. A little negligence is all it takes for what we trust most to roll away. Driving distracted is like texting during a touchdown. It never ends well. At night, a moment of clarity is worth more than a mile of speed.
That's it for today's Famigo Dashcam. Remember, a steady hand and a clear mind make every road smoother. Like, comment, and subscribe to keep the message of safe driving rolling on.